And read, especially because a lot of the books that I want to read
It's done. Let me show you.
Excuse me.
Pretty as a picture. Beautiful.
All over the food.
Hey, you didn't cover your mouth whatsoever.
Господи, спасибо. Вообще мы. Мне нужно сейчас сначала сделать.
The box itself, it's gonna be $48. That cart just made me sneeze. Okay, I swear it was the cart that made me sneeze. I don't know why.
Da passiert nichts. Warum passiert da nichts? Ah, guck. Boah, diese scheiße kitzelt in der Nase. Sorry. Ich sterbe. Oh mein Gott, kann das bitte aufhören? Ich kann nicht mehr. Ist ja grauenhaft. Mama!
Yeah, they're gorgeous.
Wait, what the hell? I wasn't expecting that.
Bless you.
Okay, this would have to be my second favourite to the one before. Oh my god, I can't stop sneezing. These pants are really nice.
Yeah, they're nice. Bless you. Bless you, Mama. Look at that. What is she sneezing about?
Oh, this outfit is actually...
Oh my goodness.
Doo-doo!
Pablo.
I feel like I would prefer to wear these pants with like a black top. Oh my god, these are good twerking pants.
Leah. Leah.
Go, go! Attack!
Well.
I feel like I have to say it.
Oh my goodness. Okay, I was 109% sure I was gonna sneeze. I was pretty positive. Sketchy. There it goes.
And I'm pretty sure they were a ratio of 1-to-1 potato. At fun times I'm gonna sneeze.
Cause you're looking at the light. You're one of those. You're one of those people.
I am one of those people.
Okay.
Поэтому будет интереснее, потому что мы будем с вами настроение пить холодное молоко. Итак, сейчас. Ой, я сделала русский, написала сочинение, я очень рада. Для меня это одна из самых сложных работ. Теперь это всего лишь игру, поэтому... В общем, я начала делать потешу. Вот, мне